71 446 pack Roadrunner. It's got the front chin spoilers, the air grabber hood, black interior. I guess that interior is yellow again. And it's got, let's see, rear window louvers and a go wing, and the factory cassette on the floor. Black interior. We'll have to do a complete restoration on it. Right. And sitting next to it there on the right is a 71 or a 70 446 pack 4-speed Dana Super B. 69 446 pack Super B, 8 3/4 automatic car. The orange one. It's originally a green car, but it's been painted orange. Okay. And then is a 69 6-pack Roadrunner, 4-speed Dana car, and or no, I believe it's an 8 3/4 automatic car. It's got the wrong hood sitting on it right now. I've got the right hood inside for it. Lift-off fiberglass hood. Right. And it's fairly rust-free. Come from Arizona. And next over